Hello, I'm Dr. Prajita Krishna. I'm an assistant professor with Mahindra University School of Management. Today, the MBA is changing. Business today does not run on spreadsheets alone. It runs on data, it runs on platform, and it runs on the cloud. At Mahindra University School of Management, our MBA is designed for this reality. We prepare managers who understand technology deeply enough to lead with it. We are an AWS Academy member, and that matters. It means our students don't just hear about the cloud in theory. We work inside the same labs, the same modules, and the same simulations that industry professionals use. When they graduate, they carry these industry credentials recognized globally before they even step into the job market. One example is the course I teach, which is Big Data and Cloud Computing. There we ask how do cloud platforms reshape industries, and how do firms evaluate costs, risks, and strategic opportunities in the data-driven world. The course runs for 30 hours in class and 60 outside. We build from first principles like what is cloud computing. We then move on to models of service such as infrastructure platform and software as a service. We then examine different types of deployment, which is public, private, hybrid, and edge. But then we don't stop just at definitions. We embed these concepts into practice through Harvard Business case studies on retail and digital transformation, through simulations like CloudStrat where students act as managers migrating a firm to the cloud, and through pricing exercises using AWS Calculator and other calculators where they must make real trade-offs. Every student completes the AWS Cloud Foundations batch. That's 25 hours of structured work producing a credential that carries weight outside the classroom. We also go deeper and ask harder questions. Should managers think about governance, fairness, and sustainable use? What is the cost of lock-in when you choose a single cloud vendor? The point is to develop judgment, and that judgment must be deeply rooted in understandings of technology, economics, and strategy. By the end, students leave with 3 things. First, fluency. They can speak the language of the cloud and data with engineers, consultants, and regulators. Second, strategic capability. They can evaluate ROI, compare providers, and design migration roadmaps. Third, credibility. With AWS certification and practical casework, they demonstrate technical proficiency to employers. This is how we think about management education at Mahindra University. It's rigorous. It recognizes that the manager of tomorrow must be more than a decision maker.
Hi. So myself Vinay. I am a faculty here at Mahindra University. So prior to Mahindra University, I was previously faculty at IIT Jodhpur, and I did my PhD from IIM Bangalore and I did my BTech in electrical from IIT Kharagpur. So I had industry experience. I had worked for about 4 years in Qualcomm. I also worked with the government for about 2.5 years. Right now here at Mahindra University, I teach MBA students and BBA students. For MBA specifically, I teach fundamentals of AI and machine learning. So in today's time with AI progressing at such a rapid pace, we believe it's important for students to not just know how to use AI, but also how to actually get a grasp of the inner workings of AI to some extent, not necessarily technical and deep dive, but more like less programmatically and less technically. We try to introduce to the students the inner working of AI and machine learning. So broadly, we cover 3 topics in this course and related courses. So we cover the machine learning pipelines, building blocks of machine learning pipeline, which will help the students to understand how machine learning pipelines are built in the industry for specific use cases. And then from there we progress to deep learning, which is far more generic than machine learning, which is nowadays being widely adopted across industry. And from deep learning, we then segue into generative AI, which is founded upon deep learning. And then we talk about the different generative AI applications and also try to introduce the inner workings of some of the most popular ones that are used in the industry today. And we would like to see you in Mahindra University. And we have like cutting-edge graphics processing units here. We have a NVIDIA funded GPU cluster that students can also use, and students can also experiment with lot of models, work with them locally, fine tune build generative AI applications, whatever you like, and we have sufficient faculty to guide you in that.
Hi, myself Dr. Rajesh from School of Management, Mahindra University. I have done my PhD from Reva University from the School of Computer Science and Engineering. Later, I did my post-graduation in data analytics from the Purdue University. Prior to Mahindra University, I was working in Dr. B.R. Ambedkar School of Economics University, which is in Karnataka, Bangalore, for 7 years. My area is a analytics area where in the School of Management, I focus more towards the business analytics. As we all know that this is a digital era, so here analytics plays a very vital role in handling the digital data for a better decision making in the business areas. In the School of Management, as my area is more of analytics, I usually teach students related to more of analytical tools, which will be more of a hands-on than the more of a traditional theory-based approach. Most of our learnings is based on case-based studies or real-time scenarios. The tools or the subjects which we will be discussing in the program MBA, like database management system using the SQL structured query language, Python programming, Power BI, and also the advanced spreadsheet modeling and all, which are all going to be a more of a case-based study learning and all. Along with this, a lot of students are working on our research work. Basically, I am working currently with a couple of projects. One of the projects is related to a digital currency, CBDC, which RBI is now trying to bring in a digital currency concept to the country. So a couple of MBA students are working on that, how it is going to make a big impact in the Indian the economic situation over here. Many of the students are working on this, and a couple of students are working on data scraping for the Fortune 500 company, which we are trying to observe how the pattern and trends which are being followed to approach the C-suite positions in the big organizations. So many students are working on that. As a faculty member of School of Management, Mahindra University, I welcome all the young brains who want to nurture their career in this domain and build their bright future with respect to the analytical skills and learning a good competent tool to have a very strong hold in the market. I expect you to come and join this family and have a good career.